How to request a refund for a ride or food order? First of all, open the Grab app and make sure you are signed into your account. Then, tap on the Activity tab at the bottom of the screen. This is where you will find all your past rides and food orders. Now, scroll through your activity list and select a specific ride or order that had an issue. Tap on it to view more details. After that, scroll down and look for the Help Center or Get Help or Contact option. Tap on it to see a list of common problems and support topics. Choose the issue that closely matches your situation, for example, a wrong charge, missing food item, or poor driver experience. You will then be prompted to give a short explanation about what went wrong. Make sure your message is clear and to the point. Once you have entered the details, tap on Submit or Send to file your complaint. Grab will usually notify you through the app or email once your request has been reviewed. In many cases, refunds are processed within a few hours. And that's it. Now you know how to request a refund for a ride or food order on the Grab app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.